I'm here with Nurse Liz at DC Plastic Surgery Boutique. Tell us what we're gonna do today.
We're gonna do a microneedling treatment to help stimulate some collagen and strengthen her skin.
Former patient and friend, Dr. Kulkarni and Liz are taking such great care of me, and follow along, I'll show you how it goes.
Post-treatment instructions, there's minimal downtime. I don't want you to exercise for 24 to 48 hours. If you still have some inflammation, just wait for that to settle down. I'll give you a cooling mask to put on tonight to help hydrate your skin. You don't want to use any products with active ingredients, like any salicylic acid, glycolic acid, retinols. Hold off for about a week to give your skin time to calm down and heal. Definitely use sunscreen if you're going to be out and about. Wear a hat if you're going to be outside for a while. Hydration. I have a hydrating serum that you can use at home twice a day. Moisturizer, because your skin will get a little dry and flaky after a couple days.
How long before we start to see the results?
About 4 to 5 weeks. If you're doing a series, that's about when I have you do the second treatment.
Okay.
At least 4 weeks apart.
So that's gonna be right when I'm back in the clinic after my maternity leave with my knee glow, thanks to Nurse Liz.
So as I go through the treatment, I control the depth of the needles, and depending on the area of the face, so forehead, I go more shallow than I would in the cheeks or chin. And then with subsequent treatments, I'm usually able to go a little bit deeper and be a little more aggressive with the treatment. And I'm just looking for a nice red response in your skin.
So you can see the desired redness setting in. I've had the numbing cream. How long did you put it on for?
About 20 minutes.
Yeah, and just letting that set, you can hear the buzzing, but I am experiencing no discomfort or pain at all. It really doesn't feel that different than an electric toothbrush. I'm 1 week post microneedling. Wanted to give you an update. Basically, I had some redness on my forehead the day of, and that was noticeable. So the day of the procedure, I would consider, kind of not having social plans. By the next day, I was cleared to wear makeup. The redness was completely covered by a really light foundation. I had no swelling, no discomfort. They gave a really nice cooling mask, a face mask to wear the night of the procedure, which was wonderful, and just instructed me to hydrate, stay out of the sun. So I feel like 1 week later, I've got, a little bit of a glow. Feel like I did some self-care, and I'm glad I just took a little time for me. So that was my first adventure into microneedling. And what do we have here? A little spit up. So we're keeping it real on my maternity leave.